You know, I feel it's a real privilege to design wigs for hair you wear, and especially for Gabor's designer series. As designers, we really take the time to listen carefully to wig wearers and to the retailers. We want to learn what they love, what they need, and what they'd like more of. And I have to say, we've done a bang-up job of turning all your valuable feedback into our latest collection. There's Keep It Classy. Glam Era. And the longer style front cover. Every beautiful designer series wig is made with Hair You Wear's exclusive, true-to-life fibre that looks and acts like human hair. It can even be heat styled to change the texture from straight to wavy, curly to straight, and everything in between. The Gabor Designer Series is the ultimate collaboration. Our designs are based on your inspiration, and I think we make a fabulous team.